Okay, here we are in a 2020 Ford Explorer. Push to start, no keys, no key detected. We got our key slot down here in our center console. Let's see if I can put some light on here for you. See it right here. And we're going to use NASTF to do this. You'll need to do a D1 form as usual. We're just going to do add key. All right, let me enter my NASTF stuff and I'll be right back. So we just gained access here. We're going to hit OK. We used our NASTF login. All right, we got our key in the slot, like we said, it right here. You guys can see, got 2 keys in the system. You just heard our door lock cycle. No, we don't want to do another key. All right. And there we are. 2020 Ford Explorer, no active alarm with the Smart Pro and NASTF.